Don't get many days like this where you can fish these ledges. They're usually getting smashed by waves. Snagged me. Gone under a ledge. Got him. Yep. Good fish. Good fish. Come straight up. Ah, it's not even that big. Oh, it's coral trout. Bro, I called it. Coral trout. Woo. Yeah, baby. Woo. Thanks for the fight, mate. Time to go back. Woo! Get you next year. Yeah. What a beautiful spot we're in. What a beautiful spot. Just hope the swell stays down, otherwise it'll kick us out of here real quick. Check that out. Charlie caught. Is it? Hey, oh, stripey. Just need him a bit bigger. Sunset fishing, baby. Woo! Where would you rather be? Oh, we're on. We're on. Oh, I did have. Oh, bloody Charlie caught. Yeah, bastard. Charlie cod? Yeah, Charlie cod. Yeah. Ah, you little bastard. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, hit it. Hit it good. Hit it good. Yep. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Come on. Come on. Oh, good fish, Turbo. Oh, look at that for a stripey. Woo! That's a thumper, baby. Woo! Oh, come on, get out. Oh. Look at the teeth on him, man.
He's a thumper, eh?
Look at the teeth. Yep. Yeah, good for Landbased, bro. Sunset's flag, nice. Woo! Good size. Yep. See you on, bro. Oh no. Hang on, bro. I'll see if I can get it out up that ledge. Yeah, bro. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Yeah, that was definitely cod. Stoney's on. It's Spangy. Oh, nice Spangy, eh?
Yeah.
You.
To the wind.
He's fat.
Got me some dinner.
Oh, Baldy boy!
Hey.
Baldy! Woo! Where is your mama? Woo! Proper fish. Get up. Oh, don't you? Is it coming? No. Oh, what the fuck? Woo! Big Spangy, baby! I knew it was time. It's time. His size. Woo! Spanish flag. Good. Oh, right. She's coming out. Little finger mark. Decent. Fighting weird. It's not that big. You won't need a gaff. Nah, it's fighting weird. Stripey. Oh no, fucking darktail. Oh no.
Sweet, let's say.
What is that? Pretty fish. First time.
Well, yeah.
Hang on.
There you go.
Nice darktail. You.
Yeah, baby.
So.
You're a fucking pesto, you can't say.
Yeah, bro. Go on, you're alright. Choked himself, but he'll come good. There he goes. Get him up, boy! Woo! What is it? Oh, what the fuck? I thought it was darktail, but it's not. Woo! Wasn't even filming, for God's sake.
Oh, I've got film.
Spangy's on, baby! Spangy's on. Look at that for a view of the sunlight. Turbo's head's in it. But we are. Hey! Spango! Nice little Spangy. Bit undersized though. Well, looks like a shark got to this thing while I was pulling it up. Took a big bite out of its gut. Poor little fella.
Yep.
Oh, Oh, lost him. Oh, little cod. Another little black cod. Another one of them black ones, is it? Or the darker colour. Yeah. Whee! Another little estuary. Hold him up. Not bad. Jesus. Bloody mother-in-law fish, isn't it? Yeah. Big rubber lips. Mother-in-law fish. Fuck yeah, he's got a bit of fight.
Watch that, buddy. Back off!
Oh, bullshit. Hey. Fuck yeah. Nice. So look there. Nice little fella. Fucking solid pink. Woo!